What is going on YouTube? It's Cash Out Kicks, and today we're going to be reviewing the Jordan 4 Pure Moneys. If you want to buy these shoes, the seller information will be up on the screen right now. And let's get into this video. So first glance at the box, the Jordan logo looks pretty good. Then for the sides, we have like the cement splatter. This is the back. This is the other side. And we can also see that the width is pretty good on this box too. And another key detail is this also spins, which the real ones do too. And a lot of rep companies, they don't have this spinning, so the quality from Haha Style is spot on. Then for the tag, we have this suggested retail $190. The font looks pretty good, the barcode, and yeah, looks pretty good. So now let's get into the shoes. So opening up the box, you see this is the inside of the lid, and then we also have the code right here in top right corner or top left. And let's open up the shoes. So the paper is pretty, it's not too thin and it's not too thick. And here we have the shoes. The Pure Moneys look pretty good. The toe box doesn't quite pop back up, that's fine. And then we have the silver part, pretty good material. The stitching looks spot on all around. And for the back, we have the Jordan logo again. And let's pop this back. Comes back up. It also says Pures, and it's well engraved. We have the side of the shoe, and then for the cage, it's slanted pretty well. We also have this part right here, which is a good detail for the stitching. And we have the upside down Jordan right there. And also comes with the shoe protector, so it looks pretty good. And now let's check the insoles. Okay, we got the insoles, like a blue kind of color. There we are. Pretty good color. It's not too dark or not too light. We also have like the vertical lines. And this is what the inside looks like. If you can see that. So yeah, not too bad. Also looks like there's some writing down there. So I'm gonna put the insole back in and let's look for the shoe. Now looking at the bottom of the shoe, that's the Jordan logo right there. Then we have the stars at the top and the heel. Looks all pretty good. We also have the bubble in there. And yeah, these are pretty good shoes. Then this is the other shoe. And this one also has the tag on it, the Air Jordan logo. It's also like flexible, so that's pretty well done. Got the chain and everything on it. So yeah, these are definitely really good shoes. And looking at the tongue of the shoe, it is pretty thick. It's not like the other ones that have like glue inside and stuff. So you can see it that it's pretty good quality. And the Jordan logo on the top looks spot on too. It looks a bit weird in the lighting, but in person it looks a lot better. And yeah, these are very high quality shoes. Also a lot of comfort in the sides, a lot of padding. So yeah, definitely go check out the buyer. And yeah, let's move on. So that will wrap up today's video of the Jordan 4 Pure Moneys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what shoe you want me to review next.